All right, with number 1, it says a scale drawing of a car is presented in the following 3 scales. Order the drawings from smallest to largest. So remember, the bigger the scale, the smaller the drawing. So we need to know the biggest scale, that goes first because that's going to be the smallest drawing, then the middle scale, and then the smallest scale is going to be the biggest picture. So if you notice here, I have 1 meter, I have 1 yard, and I have 1 foot. Okay, they're all different units of measurement, so we need to turn them all into the same unit of measurement. Okay, 1 yard is 3 feet, so we can change this to 1 inch equals 3 feet, and 1 meter is a little bit bigger than a yard. If we look it up, it says 1 meter is 3.2 feet, so 1 inch equals 3.2 feet. Okay, so we have 1 inch to 1 foot down here if we rewrite it. So remember, the smallest drawing is going to have the biggest scale. So my biggest scale, my biggest number here is 3.2, so that's going to be smallest. Then 3, that's going to go in the middle. And then 1 foot, that's going to be the biggest.